Hi everyone, welcome back. So today is just going to be me tidying up, moving around everything in my makeup room. I thought you guys would really enjoy seeing this, so I thought it'd be like quite a good thing and putting all my Christmas presents away, things like that. So let's jump on into the video. As you can see, I've emptied out this clear acrylic drawer. So what we're going to So as you can see, I've emptied out this clear acrylic drawer. What I want to do is just put everything back, put things away, and things like that. So I have got the Cinderella collection here by Revolution. I want to keep in there just because it reminds me that I haven't tested them on YouTube yet. I haven't even touched them, which is really bad of me. Things I want to use, etc, etc, etc. Yeah. These are the Bose Beauty pigments. I've got quite a few of them, even more in my drawers. So I'm just going to pop these away just because, what am I saying? Yeah, I'm going to pop these away just because I haven't reached them yet. But I have ordered some more stuff, so I'm going to do like a week worth of testing her stuff just because I've ordered like a few more pigments, loads of different stuff, lipsticks, all sorts. So we're definitely going to do a video on that. So I'm going to pop them away. I've also got these glitter liners. I probably should keep these in, but I'm going to put them back in my drawer just because once Christmas and New Year's is done, like I'm going to go and do more like autumnal winter looks, not more festive looks, so I'm going to pop them away as well. How I've like reorganised my drawers. So there's two clear ones just there I haven't filled, and then obviously my lipsticks are over there, and I've did reorganise that top bit just there. So we are going to continue to reorganise, and I just realised you're not really that close, so I'm gonna recalibrate you so you're a bit closer, and then I'll come back. So I thought this might be a bit better for you guys to see, but this is the first drawer of what I've got in. And then at the bottom here I've got the Revolution Cinderella, the Revolution Disney highlighters, lip glosses, and a pair of eyelashes and some moisturisers. I'm also going to pop in my beauty blender, which I haven't opened. I usually buy two beauty blenders at the same time. That's just how I do it, so I always have like a backup there. I'm also going to put in my Lush Candy Cane lip scrub and also my Revolution sleeping mask, just so it's a bit more like less cluttered over here, just because I feel like it's really cluttered. What else did I want to throw in? Just, this is so bad, but I've got the lashes for Beauty and the Beast and also Cinderella, and then random lashes at the top. I'm just going to place these in here, just so I'm not losing the lashes and they're all kept in this little drawer. So this is how this drawer looks. I will bring you guys close. So it looks like that. And then I'm going to put in here, if you guys can see, as you've seen, if you've seen my what I got for Christmas video, I got the P. Louise bases, so I got loads. I'm going to pop these in these acrylic drawers. Just so I remember to use them, because if they're in my makeup drawer, I probably would forget. And I will show you like up close, again, what it looks like. I'm just going to place you guys here, so you're kind of like looking over. You guys can see like my setup. I'll show you around my beauty room as well. I'm going to film show you my beauty room when it's all tidied up, but just for now it's a bit of a mess, so I'm not going to film that now. But once I get it nice, then I will show you guys my beauty room. So I really want to keep these in like these cylinders, but again, like I'm really trying to cut back on using so much stuff, having so much stuff everywhere. But I'm going to take this Base Pro out, which is so this is how big this is. It is very dark. I'll hold this up to the, so it looks like that. And I'm just going to pop that in there. With that, I'm going to turn it over. So as you can see, it looks like this. My pigments, whatever. You know what I might do with these? I actually don't know. If anyone has got any suggestions with what to do with these, and when will you comment down below. My partner, which is the Cheek Stars Reunion, and the Mercury Retrograde, so I really want to place these in here for now, just to remind me that they're new and I need to use them. And also I'm going to have to reorganise my makeup collection because everything is so messy. And then he also got me the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, so that's going to go in there for me to use if it fits. Oh no. So it's going to go down in this third drawer because that does not fit right at the back. I'm going to bring you guys back a tiny bit so you might be able to see a bit better. So right now it's looking like this. First drawer, my second, third, fourth is pretty empty, and then also my bottom drawer. You guys cut off, so I had to plug my charger in. So basically all I've done is just put my three P. Louise brushes that I got in this back here. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to have to ask some of the girls in Alex's Patreon group what they do, and then I'm going to move this somewhere. It's a bit of a mess on my drawer, but I'm going to put this here. And pop this on top. Kind of put it like so. There. Just so I can like have some free space. that's how I've pictured it. And then obviously I can still, because I was struggling to turn it around because this bit was so cramped. And then I'm going to put my candle, which is the Wickford & Co. I think it's from Home Bargains, a sugared fig and blackberry. So I'm just going to pop that here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's the lipstick thing. Small lipsticks in here. There's a candle, and then my new lipsticks that I get, I'm gonna put in here, so I know to use them. What does everyone think about me getting fairy lights like at the back for when I'm filming? I'm going to put my beauty blender just back up here. I need to place these somewhere. I need to put these in the bathroom, but they'll go there for now just so I can clear it up. The next bit I'm going to show you is my current makeup collection, me putting away some things. I'll give you a sneaky peek, but my makeup collection will be up in some point in the next few weeks. I will film that eventually. It'll just take a very long time. So this is my current bronzer collection. So this is going on from the like the Organise in my makeup room. So I thought you guys could come with me and we could just organise my bronzers together. And I can go through like some of what I've got and stuff and whether I like them.
So I'm just going to take out these at the minute and put them to the side. Like my big palette. So there's just like a selection here, but obviously when I put them back away we'll go through them a bit more. I'm just putting everything to the side at the minute. The ones that are like overflowing. Because I know I have quite a lot of Revolution, maybe drugstore, and then like my high-end bronzers. Just so I know, like from the look that I'm doing, so if I'm using like a full face of high-end, or a full face of
Too Faced, just so I have like a better understanding of what I've got. And I think I'm going to turn, like at the minute they're like this, I think I'm just going to turn them like this. And then keep my blushes like at the side, like so. So you guys can see maybe a bit better. I'll just bring it up. Probably put in, like I've got a NARS Laguna and, oh, I've forgotten the name of that blush. Pop that in here for my high-end stuff.
I've got a MAC bronzer. I've got Too Faced bronzer here. I've got another Too Faced bronzer. I'll just show you like little sneak peeks. Coconut bronzers from the Body Shop, just in different, like in different shades. So I'm just going to pop these in. I've got this Hourglass one, which is almost gone. I love that. I love it, shall I say? It's not gone yet. I've got this like Too Faced Flawless Filter one. I love this for contouring and bronzing my skin. And I've also got the NYX Studio Fix Perfecting Stick. So these are just going to be laid flat. Actually, that's probably not going to work. They'll have to wait till the end. Fenty Beauty Stick, contour stick in the shade Walnut. Got Beauty Bakery powder. on that here, so I'll put these. I actually use these on my channel, I don't think I've used these yet. So I'm going to put them 3 in there. And I've got, I think I used this recently, the 2 I Heart Revolution chocolate powder things. And I've got this one and this one, the coffee one. I've got that in the shade latte. Just putting this forward. And I've got the Primark bronzer, I think this is a Rimmel one, a Rimmel shimmer bronzer. Obviously you would have seen this in my Primark haul, the Bronze Whip, and the Kiko bronzer contour thing. So I'll put these at the very back. Now, I've got some bronzers. Bronzer palette, should I say, which this next one is broken, like it's actually completely thingy, but I love this as a contour palette. It's one of my first contour palettes and it just has a place in my heart, so I don't really want to get rid of it, even though I could probably keep breaking it. So I'm going to push this one back, this back of it, and see if I can get this to like sit in so the palette's not always popping out. I'm going to put the Beauty Bakery thing at the very back, and then I've also got the Too Faced Black Bucket Bronzers and my Shade and Light, and I think they're just going to have to rest up like that. And then for blushes.
So for my blushes, I've got quite a few, like I've got a mix. I don't have a lot of blushes, but that's like my 2021 goal is to collect some more blushes because I don't really have a lot. But I've got some Revolution ones which I'm going to keep at the front. Got MAC ones.
Revolution. I've got loads of Revolution stuff, so I'm just going to put this at the front. And then my 2 Revolution Reloaded blushes at the front. I've got like 4 MAC blushes, so I've got Melba, Plum Foolery, I've got Crisp White and Blush Baby, so they'll just go at the back. I've got a couple of Milani shadows, so we'll just go with them, they'll fit. I've got a few of the balm ones, I've got Hot Mama, Cabana Boy, and Bahama Mama actually needs to go in to the bronzer, so I've got Cabana Boy and Hot Mama. I've got a Primark one which I use as a blush, so that'll just go in the front. I've got like a blush topper, so that'll just go at the back. I've got 2 glow sticks, and I don't really know what to do with these. I might push this Too Faced one in that to the back. So I might just do the glow sticks down. This needs to go in my highlight drawer, this is the Revolution chocolate set. This is more of a highlight, or it is a highlighter than a blush. This is my Kiko one. And then I've got like a little tart one in Fanciful. I haven't really used that, but I need to. And then I've got a little Rimmel blush, which I really like, in Live Pink. You can see at the back. And then I've got just loads of like palettes. I've got like all different ones, so I'm going to put these to the side here. It's just getting more and more full, everything. So I've got like loads of different Morphe things. If anyone's got any better ideas on how to like store stuff, then please let me know. So that's just kind of how it's going to have to look for the moment until I get some more drawers, but it looks a lot better.
So yeah. But if you guys can see me, I hope you've enjoyed my like organising. It's definitely like super random. Pop some there. Super random, doesn't really come together, but I just thought you guys would enjoy like watching me tidy up, see what I do. My makeup collection, oh I'm not grabbing on, my makeup collection will be up soon. I am going to record it after this, so it will definitely be up soon. I will see you guys in my next video. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.